continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Urdu name is Fail Mazi Jari. Urdu sign of sentence of this tense. Structure of this tense. Structure. Well done. Structure. Subject plus verb plus V1 plus ing plus object. Now we take an example of Urdu sentence. For example, हम स्कूल जा रहे थे. हम स्कूल जा रहे थे. Translate in English. We were going to school. We were going to school. We were going to school. Now take this sentence in negative sentence. First, you find out which word is helping verb. Which word is helping verb used in this sentence. We find out where is a helping verb. Where is a helping verb. For negative sentence, we shall put not after helping verb. So when we put not, we were not going to school. We were not going to school. Now change this sentence in interrogative sentence. What is rule? Put helping verb in the beginning of sentence or in the starting of sentence. Here is were is a helping verb. Were is a helping verb. So we put this word in the beginning of sentence. Are we going to school? Are we going to school? हम स्कूल क्यों जा क्या हम स्कूल जा रहे थे? क्या हम स्कूल जा रहे थे? Why are we going to school? क्या हम स्कूल जा रहे थे? The next is WH. Interrogative sentence with WH words. With WH words. So we shall put WH in the beginning of sentence. Why were we going to school? Why were we going to school? हम स्कूल क्यों जा रहे थे? हम स्कूल क्यों जा रहे थे? Why? But that's the same. Why were we going to school? It's okay? Yes.